The total number of children at the National Day Parade was 3,760. After 400 boys left, and then 2/5 of the girls left. After 2/5 of the girls left means that you're left with how many girls? You're left with 3/5 of the girls. Okay, then the ratio became boys to girls 3:1. So this one, the boys to girls 3:1. So this is also another classic before and after type of question. I'm going to draw the after first. After will be boys to girls, right? 3:1. So boys, 3 units. 1, 2, 3. And the girls will be 1 unit. Now, they are saying that after 2/5 of the girls left, which means 3/5 will be the remaining, right? So this is the remaining. So I have to convert this one into 3 units instead. So I'm going to convert this into 3 units. Okay, which means that the other ones, for the boys, right, I must do the same. I also cut this into 3 portions. Okay, since they are left with 3/5 of the girls, which means that 2/5 are the girls who have gone, right? So I'm going to put 2 more over here. Okay, and then I'm going to shade these 2 to signify that these are the girls who have left. And then for the boys, I have no idea how many units to draw, but they only told me it's 400 boys left. So I'm just going to put a big chunk over here, signifying 400. Now, overall, they said that there were 3,760, right? So it's 3,760. Do you realize that if I cancel this 400, that means if I take this 3,760, if I minus this 400, I'm left with all the units are all the same. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 units, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 units would be 3,760 minus 400. And that will give me 3360. Okay, so if 14 units give me 3360, we have to find 1 unit. So 1 unit will be 3360 divided by 14. So I'm going to go ahead and use a calculator for this one, so you all can do the same as well to find the answer for this 1 unit. So 3360 divided by 14, that will give me 240. Great. So I know that each unit right now is 240. So remember, every single time you find new information, throw it back inside the model. They're asking how many more boys than girls were there at first. So I'm going to find out at first how many boys are there. So boys at first, right? So in the beginning, right? So I'm going to put boys at first. It would be what? How many units? Total here, 9 units. 9 units plus 400. So since 1 unit is 240, 9 units will be 9 times 240 plus 400. So we're going to do 9 times 240 first. So 9 times 240, this should be giving me 2160 plus the 400, and that will be 2560. Then now I'm going to find out the girls at first. So the girls at first will be 5 units, right? Because out of the 5 units, 2 units left. That's why I left with 3. Okay, so the girls at first would be 5 units. So it's 5 times 240. That will give me 1200. So they were saying that this one, these are the original separation between boys and girls. They are saying how many more boys and girls were there at first. You just have to take this minus this. So you just take 2560 minus 1200. This will give me 1360. Therefore, this is the answer. Okay, done.